Hi students, here we go for the next topic, section formula. So if there is an 2 point, just we are going to find some point in between that line, some section. In this point will be cut this line into any of two sections, right? 2 section, 3 section, 4 sections, whatever section we can find by this section formula. I will derive how this section formula is formed. So let me consider this first point as an x1 and y1, and this as a x comma y, because we are going to derive this point and this point as a x2 comma y2, right? So as previously we have seen the same, the x1, and this is the x point, and this is the x2, x1 x and x2. The same here, y1, and this will be the y, and here this will be the y2. So same like the drawing a parallel lines, here we will be getting a triangles. So parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, we will be obtaining a two right triangle, right? So with this help of this we can find, but here we are not going to use a Pythagoras theorem, but here we will be using a comparison of a two triangles, that the two triangles are similar. Just we can prove similar by the AA criterion, and this angle and this angle will be equal, right? Because since it is a parallel, and these two angles will be the equal, right? This is a parallel line, these two angles will be the equal. We will call it as a corresponding angles, the same, right? So by the AA criterion similarity, we consider, we have to name it. So let me name it as an A, and this point as P, and this point as a B, and this as a Q and C. So the triangle APQ is similar to triangle PBC, right? So that's what I written here. Triangle APAQ are similar to triangle BPC, PAQ and BPC, right? In any order. So if these two triangles are similar and each sides will be in the same ratios, right? The ratios, the sides of the ratios are proportions, right? So this PA and BP will be in the ratio which is equal to AQ and PC, which is also is equal to PQ and BC, right? So first I will consider these two. PA by BP is equal to AQ by AC. What is the length of the PA? So the length of the PA we don't know, so let me consider this length as a M1 and this consider as a M2, because this we will be using in the problem, because we need these things, right? This section, so how much section it is split. So it is a M1 and M2 we are considering. So PA is an M1 and P2 is a BP is a M2, and AQ. So AQ is just nothing but the distance between these minus this, right? So x minus x1, x minus x1, x minus x1, and next we need a PC, and PC is also same. The full thing is a x2, x2 minus x. PC is a x2 minus x, right? PC is equal to x2 minus x. Just we will take an across side. This will become multiplication here, and M2 will multiply here, and M1 into x2 because we multiplied and written minus M1x is equal to M2x and M2x1 minus M2 minus x1. So let me bring the x term this side and x1 x2 term that side. It will become if you bring here, it will become a minus, and if you take that, it will become a minus M1 x2, right? So from here you can find the x are the common. Before that we can see everything is in the negative, we will change into the positive, so everything become a positive here, and here x is the same, so we take it outside. So M1 plus M2 is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1. So we need to find an x value, right? So we need this coordinate point actually, so we concentrate on the point x. So x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Just bring it brought here, right? Similarly we can prove for a y also. So similarly y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, and these are the coordinate of x and y. The point P x comma y, which divides the line segment internally in the ratio M1 is to M2, M1 is to M2 are we consider. So the p of x comma y can be written as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Just literally like this is written in the coordinate style, and simply you can say x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus 1, and ys is also equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So x is also equal to that, y is equal to that, or in the coordinate wise also we can write. And consider if the ratio of the p divides ab is equal to k is to 1. Usually we will consider this k is to 1 where they are asking to find the ratios of the line divides. So that will consider as a k is to 1. Then the coordinates of the point, instead of m1 and m2, we will substituting the k here. So k x2 plus 1 x1 is x1 by k plus 1, comma k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. If you go for a midpoint means both the side will be the same, right? Both the segment will be in the 1:1 ratio. Then the formula will be the x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1 is 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. This is for the midpoint. Since the midpoint, both the sections will be the same, we will notate it as a 1:1 ratio. So next we will go for a problem. So find the coordinates of the point which divides the joining of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So this is the m1 and this is the m2. Here the two coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2. So these 2 points are here, and we have to find this point p of x comma y. So this point you consider as a -1, 7, and this point you consider as a 4, -3. So we need to find this p of x comma y, and the ratios are 2 and this is the 3. So just by applying the formula we can find. So p of x comma y is equal to, we know the formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here m1 is 2 into x2 is a 4, it's a 8, plus, and m2 is 3, and 3 into m2 is a x1 is a -4, 3 into -1 is a -3, divided by m1 plus m2 is a 5, comma m1 is a 2 into y2 is a -3, it's a -6, plus m2 is a 3 into y1 is a 7, it's a plus 21, divided by m1 plus m2 is a 5. So 8 plus -3 is a 5 by 5, comma -6 plus 21 is a 15 by 5. So if you solve, this will become a 1 and it will become a 3, and point is a 1, 3. So the center point, which the point will divide in the ratio 2:3 is 1, 3. So this point will be the 1, 3. Clear? So here we go for the second problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. So 3 sections are there if the line of segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So there is a line, and it's a 4, -1, and it is a -2, -3. Trisections, then 2 points will cut into the trisection. Trisection is 3 equal parts. So it will be a 1:1, right, equally. So we have to find this point and this point. Let me consider this as a point P and this as a point Q, right? So we know the ratios. With that we can find. If you're finding the P, then ratio here is a 1 and this ratio is the 2. So m1 will be the 1 and m2 will be the 2. So the point will be the 4, -1 and the same -2, -3. But m1 is to m2 here is 1:2. 1:2, right? So what is the P point? The P of x y is just nothing. The P of m1 into x2, we can write that formula, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus y1 divided by m1 plus m2, right? So point m1 x2 can be written as m1 is the 1 and x2 is the minus 2. So minus 2 plus m2 is the 2 and x1 is the 4. 4 2s are 8 divided by m1 plus m2 is the 3, comma m1 is the 1, 1 into y2 is the minus 3 plus m2 is the 2, 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2 divided by 3. So p of 8 plus 8 minus 2 plus 8 is a 6 by 3, comma minus 3 plus minus 2 is a minus 5 by 3. Here we can simplify as a 2. Sorry, can you see that? Here we can simplify as a 2. So the point will be the 2 comma minus 5 by 3, right? So the point P is the 2 comma minus 5 by 3, right? The next we have to find the point Q. So while considering the point Q, this M2 ratio will become 1 and M1 ratio will become 2. 2 sections are here, only one section. So 2:1. But this value will be the same, right? The starting then the end point are the same. 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3 are same, only ratios will be there. While taking the Q, this side is a 2 part and this side is a 1 part. So M1 is 2, M2 is nothing, 2:1, right? So for the Q, no need to write the formula again, directly you can write m1 into x2. m1 into x2 is the 2 into minus 2 is a minus 4 plus m2 is a 1 into x1, 4 is a 4 divided by 3, comma m1 into y2 is a minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is a minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 divided by 3. And so for Q is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0, 0 by 3 again 0, and 6 minus 1 is a minus 7 by 3, right? And the Q point is the 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Here we go for the next problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. There is a line and it's given as a minus 3 comma 10 and it is a 6 comma minus 8. It is divided by the point minus 1 comma 6. Now we have to find the ratio. What is the ratio between these two? So in the beginning we have seen for the unknown ratio, let me consider this as a k:1. Then after finding the k value we can proceed, right? So let required ratio be k:1. So let me consider as this point and the p of x comma y will be the equal to that formula, right? So p of minus 1 comma 6 is equal to the formula m2. You can write that formula directly, you can substitute. Let me write and I show you. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here we consider m as a k, m1 as a k and m2 as a n, right? Sorry, m2 as a 1. So m1 is the k into x2, this is the x1 y1 x2 y2 and this is the m1 and this is the m2. So m1 is the k into 6 is a 6k plus 1 into x is a minus 3, it's a minus 3 divided by k plus 1, comma m1 here is the k into y2 is a minus 8, it's a minus 8k plus m2 is a y into minus 1, 1 into 10 is a 10 divided by k plus 1. So here's a p of minus 1 comma 6. This point is also p we represent in the formula, right? So we can say this x point, this point will be equal to minus 1 and this point is equal to 6. So if we can compare this and we can find a value for the k, right? So considering the minus 1 is equal to 6k plus into minus is minus 3 by k plus 1, right? So bring the k plus 1 here, it will become a minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. While multiplying, it will become a minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. If you bring 6k here and minus 1 there, it will become a minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So minus k minus 6k is a minus 7k, and minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel. K is equal to 2 by 7. So value of k is equal to 2 by 7. So therefore the required ratio is k is to 1, but that we are consider the k is a 2 by 7 is to 1. Simply we can say it as a 2 is to 7, right? 7 you can bring there, and it is a 2 is to 7. Here we go for the next problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining a 1 comma minus 5 and b minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. There is a line segment. The point A is a 1 comma minus 5 and B is a minus 4 comma 5, and it is divided by the x-axis. X-axis means the point will be a x comma 0, right? So we consider it as a P, and also find the coordinates of the point of division. First you have to find the ratio, so let me consider k is to 1, and they want to find the coordinates. The coordinates of the point means the value of x, right? So by the section formula, the section is a P of x comma 0 is equal to point P is, and k, m1 is a k, this is the m1, let me write in the black one for the difference, m1, m2, x1, y1, and this is a x2 and y2, right? So m1 into x2 is a minus 4k plus 1 into 1 is a 1 divided by k plus 1 comma here, and m1 into y2 is a 5k plus 1 into minus 5 is a minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So this value and this value equal, and these are this equal. So if you equate this 0 and this second coordinate, we will get the value of k, right? 0 is equal to 5k plus into minus is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Let me bring k here, we multiply with 0, it will become 0. 0 is equal to 5k minus 5. If you bring a minus 5k here, it will become minus 5k. So minus 5k is equal to minus 5, then k is equal to 1, right? So value of k is equal to 1. So therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1, right? So now we can substitute and equate these two, we will get an x value, right? So x is equal to, here the x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1, right? Minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. Substitute the value of k 1 here. Substitute k is equal to 1 in above. So you'll get x is equal to 1 is a 1. So minus k is equal to 1. So minus 4 into k is a minus 4 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? If we bring 2 here, it will become a 2x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is a minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 comma 2. So what is the coordinate point? Therefore the point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0, right? Since it is a x-axis, it's a x comma 0, just you find the x value, and that's a minus 3 by 2 comma 0.